Hi, today I'm Friday Honor X8 5G and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first open the gallery application, open for all photos, and for example let's select these two photos to hide them. Just to do that, tap on the right down corner to more icon and click to hide. So after that, just after the hiding these items, to view them, we should go to the albums tab and touch to more icon in the top right corner and then touch hidden items. So okay, let's go back to all photos to the albums tab. Now just tap here, albums tab, tap on the right upper corner to the three dots to more icon and click to hidden items. Now we can find them here. To unhide them by the same way, just select the photos and click to unhide. Let's go back to the camera roll and we can see there's hidden photos here, unhidden. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.